Hello everyone, this is your columnist. As 2023 comes to a close, I would like to sum up the outgoing year and recall all the action cameras that stood out. That's why today we will be reviewing the excellent DJI Action 4 camera, which offers great value for money. Characteristics. The camera has compact dimensions and is equipped with two screens, front and rear. The matrix size is 0.77 inches. The camera can shoot at depths of up to 18 meters, is capable of capturing images in various weather conditions and temperatures, operates on battery power for 160 minutes, has a viewing angle of 155 degrees, and stabilization is achieved through the Rocksteady function. The weight of the camera is 145 grams. Video recording. The camera allows shooting video in 4K resolution at 1:4 pre-solution at 120 frames per second, with screen resolutions of 4:3 and 16:9. Stabilization. The Rocksteady stabilization is excellent and it has 4 modes. Rocksteady, Rocksteady Plus, Horizon Balancing. The stabilization is so good that you can walk, run, ride a bicycle, drive a car, and there will be no noticeable shake with the camera. Dynamic range. This camera always has HDR mode enabled. When shooting in low-light environments, issues may arise as the camera automatically supplements the image, leading to the appearance of noise in the video. Battery. The manufacturer guarantees up to 160 minutes of shooting, but it all depends on the shooting modes and how frequently they are switched. Charging the battery, up to 80% takes 18 minutes, and up to 100% takes just under 1 hour. Photo shooting. The camera is equipped with a photo shooting mode. Photos are taken at 10 megapixels, but photography is not the primary functionality of this camera. The field of view can be wide with distortions or less wide but distortion-free. The ISO range is very convenient, from 100 to 12,800. However, I do not recommend taking photos with this camera. User-friendliness. Responsive controls, convenient and straightforward placement of all camera settings and functions, the ability to use all GoPro mounts with an adapter, ease of use with magnetic and highly secure camera attachments, ensuring the camera stays in place even during rapid descents from hills. In short, to summarize this review, DJI has managed to create a good and user-friendly camera. The camera successfully accomplishes the task set by the buyer excellently. If you're wondering whether it's worth buying, my answer is a definite yes, 100%. I'll be very glad if this video has been helpful to you. See you in the next video.